Hi, welcome to Lamb Chiropractic. My name is Dr. Adam Lamb. I'm a chiropractor in Manhattan, and I've been here for over 15 years, helping thousands of people to live their lives to the fullest and deal with the stresses of this crazy life we live in. I utilize a variety of different chiropractic techniques. We use different amounts of force depending on the size of the body that we're working on. We're able to do very gentle adjustments with little babies and infants. Likewise, we need to do very gentle adjustments with older people who might have osteoporosis or other conditions where the body would be weakened, whereas with a relatively normal, healthy person, we would use a little more force. Some people are afraid of chiropractic and afraid of getting the adjustments, but they are really very safe and gentle. The more relaxed your body is, the easier the adjustments go. Most people come to chiropractors with various aches and pains, back pain, neck pain, headaches, different musculoskeletal issues. But the real purpose of chiropractic is to allow the brain to communicate with the body. So even though I'm going to look at the whole body and I want to help somebody get out of their pain and get them feeling better, more important for me is overall health and wellness on every level.
Hi, my name is Tanya Fuentes, and I am a patient of Dr. Lamb, and I am so thankful that I stumbled upon him because he's helped me heal in a way that I thought I couldn't. I was diagnosed 2 years ago with rheumatoid arthritis, pretty severe. But coming here has helped me regain my life, just being able to walk again, use my hands. I wasn't able to do that for a couple of months, and I came back recently, and the adjustments, also just the sense of family here has helped me feel hopeful that I don't have to be dependent on the prescription medications, which I've been taking to treat the rheumatoid arthritis, which in turn triggered diabetes. So I'm also dealing with diabetes now. But like I said, I'm learning how to heal just day by day, and coming here, you know, it's a sense of healing and wholeness that you don't necessarily get when you're at the conventional medical centers.
Everybody can benefit from chiropractic. It's not just for people who have an issue, an acute condition, a back injury necessarily. People should be getting adjusted on a regular basis despite how they feel. How you feel doesn't necessarily portray the state of your body. And it's only when a chiropractor actually analyzes your body and your spine that they can tell whether things are properly aligned and doing what they're supposed to do. Come on over, get adjusted.